friends, who do you see? Pete the cat. Do you love Pete the cat as much as I do? He is a cool friend. Yeah. He has a heart. Yeah. What color is Pete? Blue. That's the color we're gonna work on today. And we're gonna make our own Pete the cat. I already poured out some blue paint. So now I need to get to covering this up and making it blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. B-L-U-E spells blue. Ooh, Pete the cat is blue. What other things are blue? The sky is blue. My eyes are blue. Do you have blue eyes? Bluebirds. Blueberries. Okay, let's get this all blue. Now, I'm using a square to make my Pete. You can choose whatever shape you want to use. Again, if you don't have paint, color with markers, use blue paper, whatever you want. And keep painting. Get it as blue as you want it. I'm gonna make it a little more blue. Pete is definitely darker blue than that. Okay, we're gonna use this whole thing to make it a great big Pete's face. Now we need Pete's eyes. What color are Pete's eyes? Yellow. So I cut out a yellow eye shape. Okay, and then I cut out little white circles and put black on the bottom. So then when I attach them to the white at the top, it'll look just like Pete's eyes. Do those look like Pete's eyes? Kind of? Okay, great. So we're gonna put those right at the top of our square. I'm gonna stick them right in my paint because my paint is still a little wet, but you can glue them down if that doesn't work for you. There we go, I've got the start of Pete's face. All right, now, what does Pete need next? A nose. So I cut out a little white nose shape. It needed to be bigger than the one on Pete's face because I'm making a bigger picture of him. And then I'm gonna put it right into my paint and show you. Ta-da! There we go. What else does Pete need? A smile. Maybe some whiskers. Do you see his whiskers? Yeah. Okay friends, Pete and I are back. Okay, I added more black around the little white circles that I did because Pete has more black around that. So then it just keeps the little white circles at the top and draw a black U shape underneath. Okay, now we need a smile. So I just cut out a black smile and I'm gonna lay that on there. You can give him a small smile or a great big smile. Okay. And we need some whiskers. So again, I just cut out little strips of black paper. But if you don't have that and you want to just draw it on once yours is dry, you can do that. So I have these long, thin strips like whiskers. And then I'm just going to tear them in half so that I have whiskers for both sides of Pete's face. Okay, there we go. Now let me show you Pete. There we go. And I need one more thing. What does Pete have? A heart. We can't forget that. So I had some of the leftover pieces of the paper plate we used to make Clifford. And so I cut out a heart shape. And now I have a heart to put on Pete. And you can add that wherever you want. Thing to add right at the bottom here. There we go. Pete the cat. Bye. Say bye, Pete. He'll be rocking in his school shoes. He's rocking in his summer camp shoes right now. Rocking in his summer camp shoes. Rocking in his summer camp shoes. Yeah.
Great job, Pete.